Hey guys, Malibu Darby here. Welcome to my channel. If this is not your first time watching, welcome back as always. You may have noticed my surroundings and my background has changed a little bit. We are in my vanity room. I know in the last video it was like under construction. We still have a long way to go, but I have my shoe wall up, I have my sequin curtains and my backdrop up. So we are making slow steps to get there. Eventually it'll be done and I'll do like a vanity room tour before and after or something like that. But before I get started on anything, if you've already made it this far, if you are not subscribed, please take a moment to hit the link below and subscribe. We are almost at 2,000, which feels crazy to say because I feel like we were just at 1,000 subscribers. So we're almost at 2,000, so I'm super excited. If you're already in that area, go ahead and hit the bell. It's somewhere right around here. Hit that bell, you'll get notifications whenever I upload. Working on my consistency with this wedding and moving, it is like, filming is just hard. It's just hard to do. But I'm here to film. And today, I'm not sure where this falls on the scheme of like beatness and makeup, but beauty and skincare and hygiene and everything is still a really big thing to me. And when I try products, I'm a review reader. So whenever I try something, whether it's good or bad, I feel like I can either put you on a new product or I can save you some money. So whenever I try something, I feel like I want to review it to give you guys a heads up on maybe a new product. So the people at Virginic, which is like a natural based hygiene and beauty line, like everything is vegan and non-GMO and they don't do animal testing and everything has a shorter shelf life. So it's kind of similar to Lush where like your products aren't going to last for 5 years because they are fewer ingredients, they're more natural, they're simpler, it's kind of straight to the point, you get what you pay for, and it's cleaner, there's not a lot of chemicals and preservatives and things like that. The products I'm reviewing today is their activated bamboo charcoal toothpaste. If you're familiar with activated charcoal in general, you've probably seen it suddenly pop up. There's toothpaste, I've seen charcoal mask, there's a lot of different products, but specifically charcoal toothpaste is a better alternative to your fluoride base and your kind of chemical, artificially mint flavored toothpaste. Essentially, it's a healthier, natural way to make your teeth white. Really what this is about is making your teeth white. I really started thinking about wedding pictures and just life. And like, if you got a beat face but your teeth are yellow, like, they kind of cancel each other out. It doesn't really matter. So Virginic reached out to me and asked me what products I think I would like or would like to try. And I was super interested in the charcoal toothpaste because it's something I've been buying. I bought a couple different ones on Amazon in the store trying to find the right one so that I could switch over to just strictly using the charcoal toothpaste. So this is their 100% pure activated bamboo charcoal toothpaste. It retails for I believe $14. Because this is like a natural, stronger kind of product, I always read the instructions. You never want to just assume you know how to use something. So it says apply a pea-sized amount to your toothbrush. Brush your teeth gently for 2 minutes. Brush your tongue, gums, etc., etc. And because this product is powerful and a strong raw ingredient, they ask that you only use it for 3 days in a row. I definitely messed up on that at first. I was using it like regular toothpaste. They say once a day for 3 days in a row. I was using it twice a day, and it was like the 4th day when I realized this. But I understand it's a raw ingredient. You want to be careful. It may strip your enamel or damage your teeth. You definitely don't want that. So I've had this for about 2 weeks now. I wanted to wait at least 2 to 3 weeks so I could at least give you some kind of review on at least how the usage or how I feel compares to other ones. I didn't want to just immediately get in and be like, oh, I love it, it's perfect. So I did wait a little while. So again, here's the packaging. Super cute packaging with a natural bamboo top. Based on what I've seen, they like to do this kind of natural packaging, which makes sense for the brand. It says this has coconut activated bamboo, charcoal powder, baking soda, Himalayan salt, peppermint, and essential oil are the ingredients. The coconut oil has antifungal properties. The bamboo charcoal literally draws the stains out of your teeth. Salt and baking soda are gentle abrasives to help remove the stains. And the peppermint essential oils kill bacteria that cause gum disease and give you the pleasant scent. So $14 is, if you're used to buying like Crest, or Colgate or something like that, which can be a lot cheaper, $14 can seem steep. But I will say, based on this packaging, it seems like it would last you a while, especially based on how much you use and how often you use it. It seems like it would last a while. And I have purchased quite a few other black charcoal toothpaste. So this particular one is Black Magic Activated Charcoal Toothpaste. I purchased this off of Amazon, and I will say this is definitely more pure, definitely more natural. I can kind of tell that they wanted this to feel like toothpaste, so they altered it and did some things, even down to the ingredients. Like, I can just tell there's some things in here that necessarily aren't natural if that's what you're going for. I will say my con for this is the packaging. I will go ahead and insert a video here of me using the product, down to the weird warning. If you have never used activated charcoal toothpaste, it's black. Your teeth are gonna be black, your lips are gonna be black, your gums are gonna be black, you're probably gonna get black with your sink. Don't use a white rag. Like, it can get messy, which brings me to my con. Everything has to have a con. It wouldn't be a review if I just told you all the good stuff. My con has to be, as cute as it is, the packaging. So this is the packaging. You can see that I've kind of been up in here for a couple weeks now, but it's a tin. It's really weird to me to make your toothpaste in a tub like this, because what you end up having to do, which you'll see over here, you end up having to like dip your toothpaste in it, your toothbrush in it, or like scoop it out and then put it on your toothbrush. Which, one, if I'm dipping my toothbrush in something every day, like, that's not sanitary. God forbid you and someone else are using the same toothpaste. And then two, if I have to scoop my toothpaste out and put it on, that's too much. It's early, I'm trying to get to work. I'm not trying to like have 6 steps in my toothpaste. So I will say something like Black Magic, which was in a conventional, traditional kind of toothpaste tube, this was a lot more convenient. I don't know if you can see, let's see. I want to try to squeeze some. You can see the color of this one a little bit. This one's a little more gray. I think they tried to mix like some peppermint and stuff to make it taste like regular toothpaste. Another warning, it doesn't taste like toothpaste. It's not minty fresh, none of that. You may want to use this, then go after with a regular toothpaste or mouthwash if you feel like you need that minty fresh feeling. I'll put another picture up of the 2 weeks before, my teeth here, and then I will put a side-by-side or a picture of my teeth now. I do see, and I promise it's not a placebo, I have done so many whitening, lightening procedures, and I've just been trying to try things before I pay the big bucks to just A, get a whitening kit, or B, get them professionally whitened. So I'm really like trying to go with things and make things work. I do see a difference, and for it to only be 2 weeks and me to see any difference, I have certain spots and white spots from braces and things where I can just tell when things are getting whiter, and I do see a little difference, and it's only been 2 weeks, so that makes me a little excited. But I will say I see a difference. $14 isn't the best price. If you go on Amazon, you can get some for like $8, but based on the quality that you get, I do think this is worth it. Again, the packaging is a little funky. I would love if they could make it in this style, because this is way easier. As far as the Virginic goes, just the brand quality, I really do like the quality of the packaging. The fact that this is a real like wood or bamboo top says a lot. That's a lot about packaging. So I'm interested in trying the other products. I end up going for convenience a lot, but when I find something that's quality, I do kind of stick to it. So I'm excited to use this toothpaste and see, and maybe if I do have like drastic results, or if it's trash, I'll check back in and do like a 3-month or a 6-month, just to let you know how it's going. That is my review. I just wanted to let you guys know. I had some people ask me about activated charcoal and if I thought it worked, and if I like this particular brand. I do have a discount code. You know I don't ever come around. If there's not a discount or a sale, like, what are we doing? What are we, I want to save my money. So I do have a discount code. In the description box, of course, are going to be all my links, all my codes. There is a discount code for Virginic. If you get this charcoal and you try it, let me know what you think. If you tried another one and you like it, I know like Whole Foods and some vitamin shops, you can just buy like the charcoal itself and kind of make it your own toothpaste. Let me know, have you tried it and you think it's a joke, you think it doesn't work? If you know some other way to do whitening, I tried the hydrogen peroxide and baking soda, all that kind of stuff, but I'm open to other suggestions. That is all for today. Thumbs up if you like this video or if you like these kind of product reviews. I'm always interested to see what you guys are looking to watch. Tell a friend to tell a friend. We're almost at 2,000. If you're not already following me on Instagram, go ahead and follow me at Malibu Darby so you can see more up-to-date, day-to-day kind of deals. And I think that covers it. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'm gonna go finish my room.